So guys, this is the full self-clicking CPA method that's gonna earn you your next $100 in 24 hours. So this is my lead and I'll be using my lead for this offer promotion. If you don't know about my lead, you can go over to mylead.global and get to open an account for free, and then you have to come over to offers right here. This is how the dashboard of my lead looks like when you just open a new account, and this is my offer page here. I have many offers that I'm going to be using. This is how to choose offer to use for self-clicking, and if you listen attentively, then you're going to be getting value from this course. And again, this is the second part of this tutorial, and we are doing CPA challenge. They're going to earn you a lot of money. Okay, so come down here that says category, and all you have to do is to choose category that says SOI offers. You have to search for SOI offers right here, or you can just simply, let me just look for it. So this is send, it is double opt-in. Do not choose double opt-in, or even if you choose it, no problem, just look for SOI. That is simple. Double opt-in, email submit, and so many of them. These are the things that are gonna confirm and easily convert for you. So let's just try the single opt-in. Yeah, this is the SOI opt-in here, and then have to click it here, and it has about 971 offers from this place. And the next thing we're going to be doing is to choose the category we're going to be looking for. If we choose this dating offer right now, as you can see, it can pay us 11 cents to $38. And if you look here, as you can see, it says email confirm. So all the things we need to make money from this offer is email confirm. So we're going to be using it to promote. So without this, you can still choose any other offer here and still make something out of it. Okay, so I'm going to be using this offer now, and the next thing I have to do is to, sorry, let me just try it again. Okay, so I click here that says promote, so I can be able to use this offer for self-clicking. And after clicking on this offer, I have to come over to this page that says email fake. We're going to be using a website that's going to give us multiple email here, so that we can be able to make a lot of money from this place. So I have to copy this link here. I have to make a landing page for it, so that it will not be able to track my existence right here. So I have to come over here. Let me just go back to offer now. Okay, I click here that says campaign, and I go over to list of campaigns. All right, so this is my list of campaign, and I have to choose the SOI again, so I can start afresh. Okay, so I come over here, I click on this SOI. Okay, that is single opt-in offers, and then we have to choose any one of the offers that will load here. Remember, we did and we used this dating offer here. I have to click it now, and the next thing is to use it, the link here, for our own promotion. I just got approved on this offer, and this is the website I use for black hat method like this. So let me just go back. I don't know, so I have to copy this link. You can use any of this affiliate link right here. Okay, so I have to copy this one, or I can use any of this one here. So I click here and I copy. So once I copy this, I have to come over to breezy.cloud, and once I go over to breezy.cloud, Breezy is gonna help me to get a simple landing page for myself. So even if you don't use Breezy, you can use Google Docs, but I prefer Breezy. Okay, so I have to come over here and I have to use any template here. Let me edit this template, and I have to add this link. The only reason why we are using website is just to avoid unnecessary issue and tracking method. Okay, so I have to come here and I have to load this page, and I have to add my link to any button here. I have to click on this plus so I can get any template of my choice. And for this self-clicking, we don't actually need any professional template, because we are not trying to convince people to sign up. We are the ones signing up ourselves. So all I have to do is to click here, and I have to get a button, and I have to add it here. As simple as that. All I have to do is say something like chat with women. Okay, so simple as this. So I have to start with women. I have to choose for this link, and I have to add my link here. So this should be my affiliate link right here. As you can see, now this is my affiliate link. This is it right here. And then all I have to do again is to, you can either choose this open in new tab and still save. So click here, and I have to publish this page. As simple as this. And then you can preview. The next thing you're going to be doing is to preview this page, and this is the page right now. Okay, so this is the page, and we're not going to be using this browser for this job. If you come over, I'll have to copy this link now so I can come over to another browser and try using it. I have to use another browser that I have not used before, as I have to paste this link here. I have to paste and have to. Okay, so I am searching on this website now, and make sure you clear your browser each time you sign up. And then this is the website here, and as you can see, it says chat with women. And after this, the next thing I have to do is to go over to this website that says email fake. Okay, so email fake will give us a lot of emails that will be able to sign up for this. And once you're searching for email fake, let's load this landing page now. So I have to click here, and as you can see, it's loading, and our email fake is also loaded. So this is email fake now. I have to click here to get my temporary emails right now. So guys, this is the website right here, and this is how the landing page looks right here. All I have to do is to say I am a man, and then I'll try to log in. So all I have to do here, I have to scroll, and I have to choose something here. I'll be covering some parts of this landing page because this is editing offer and it does not deserve to be here on YouTube. So I have to choose my own here, and then I have to go over to the second stage. So once I come over to the second stage now, I have to click here. It says there are many women, blah blah blah. I have to click here that says start, and for this start, I'll be able to fill out this form. Remember, have you tested stranger before? I can say something like yes, just answer normal. Then you have to come over, guess on the site, I'm only looking for flirting. Are you no strange attached? Do you want it? I can say yes. Okay, so these are the questions we have to answer here. Okay, do you just want to shout blah blah blah? Okay, so all right, so almost done. You are qualified to enter the site. I have to click here that says continue, and then I will be able to log in to the next stage. Okay, the next stage now, you're gonna be a stage where we'll be signing up for this offer with our temporary email. And once we complete this SOI, then you're gonna getting paid from 11 cents to any dollars of their choice. Not able to finish setting up this self-clicking method, but I'll be setting it up on our Telegram group. So if you want to learn more about how this will be, just click on the link on my description. Are you gonna join our Telegram group where I'll be able to show you everything? Okay, because if I reveal everything here on YouTube, they will block my account. So click on the link below and join the Telegram group, and let's interact better right there. Oh yeah, let's see you there. Make sure you subscribe. So once you are back on your website, and you have to refresh this page. Sometimes your earning will not come immediately, and after a few minutes it will come, and then you have to refresh and everything will arrive right here. So this is how simple it is to self-click using temporary emails and SOI offers on MyLead. So if you love this content, make sure you share this video, like, subscribe, and I will see you in my next tutorial. Goodbye. Not able to finish setting up this self-clicking method, but I'll be setting it up on our Telegram group. So if you want to learn more about how this will be, just click on the link on my description. Are you gonna join our Telegram group where I'll be able to show you everything? Okay, because if I reveal everything here on YouTube, they will block my account. So click on the link below and join the Telegram group, and let's interact better right there. Oh yeah, let's see you there. Make sure you subscribe.